How to transfer WhatsApp data messages from iPhone to Android. Let's get started. Now, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and simply go to the settings and scroll down and tap on the chats. After you tap on the chats, tap on the chat backup inside it. Then inside the chat backup, tap on the backup now option. And this will create a backup of your chats in iCloud. Now go back to the chats again and tap on the move to Android option available there. Then simply tap on next icon again. And what this will do is simply transfer your data from iPhone to Android. Now go to your Android phone and on your Android device, download WhatsApp and sign in with the same phone number you used on your previous device. Enter the verification code you receive and proceed by tapping on the continue button to complete the transfer process. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.